Hello guys, welcome to the course of CodeIgniter for HMVC tutorial. This is our part number 0. Inside this video, we will see the introduction to course and course materials. So if I back to slide, so as we are going to start HMVC programming inside this course, so we need to understand first, that is, what is HMVC programming. Also, along with HMVC programming, we will see a sample CRUD application inside using HMVC module as well as RESTful web services. These two sections, like a sample web application as well as REST APIs, totally it is based on HMVC programming. So first of all, before going into the deep of this course, we need to understand that what is HMVC programming in CodeIgniter for. So CodeIgniter is a PHP based framework and works on MVC pattern. MVC stands for Model View Controller. Also, it can be used as Hierarchical Model View Controller, that is for HMVC. So inside CodeIgniter, HMVC stands for Hierarchical Model View Controller, and it is a further new version of MVC pattern which used for web applications development, providing solutions to many problems. It helps us to solve the scalability of application. Let's take an example to understand the things in a very clear way. For example, let's say that we have a school application. Inside that school application, we have several different modules. Inside this application, we have a teachers module, students module, a books module, academics, transport, and finance. So when we work with the concept of MVC inside CodeIgniter 4, so each module have their own controller, but we have a single application setup. That is, in CodeIgniter 4, the folder structure contains a app folder. Inside that app folder, we have a controllers folder. Inside that single controllers folder, we will create all the controllers of each module, like teachers, students, books, and so on. So when we create an application using MVC pattern, then we need to create our controllers, views, and models. So when we work with this MVC, then all controllers, our views, models, all these files will go inside app folder, that is inside main application setup. But when we work with this HMVC pattern, we have several different setup. It depends upon all of the modules included. So here we have a teachers module, students, books, academics, transport, and finance. So when we work with this MVC, we have a single setup of all these modules. But when we work with this HMVC, we have a teachers module which is separate application, students module with a separate application, means for each module we have a separate module, means a separate application setup. Inside each setup we have a controllers folder, models folder, views folder, database folder, config folder, means all those folders what we will have inside our app folder. So inside this whole course, we will discuss the concept of HMVC as well as we will see all the basic concepts to configuration of HMVC module to work and develop any kind of application in CodeIgniter 4. Inside this course, we will create a sample CRUD application using HMVC module as well as we will create RESTful web services. So inside this course, what are our plans? So here we have our few plans listed here. So what we will learn inside this CodeIgniter for HMVC tutorial. So first of all, we will see that how can we work and develop a module inside CodeIgniter 4. By going through each video of this course, I will show that you are going to create and develop a module inside CodeIgniter 4 setup. It will be a complete guide of CodeIgniter for HMVC. Along with the module development, Also we'll discuss about Spark commands. As we know that Spark command is a CLI tool which has been included inside the newest version, that is inside CodeIgniter 4, which is not present in the older versions. And also one more thing, that CodeIgniter 4 is not officially released a stable version. Right now it is in development mode, but we can use for the application development purpose. So inside this course also we'll discuss about Spark commands like migration, Tutor, controller, model, RESTful, and also we'll see the concept of scaffolding in CodeIgniter 4. So inside this CodeIgniter 4 HMVC, we will see the complete guide to create module. Next we will see Spark commands. Now next we will see APIs development. We will create a module. Inside that module we will set RESTful resource controller. By the help of resource routes, resource controller, how can we work with the REST APIs? We will see the complete scenario of create, list, specific single student detail, as well as all the operations we will create inside our RESTful API services. Now inside this whole course, we will create a sample CRUD application using HMVC pattern, as well as APIs development, which is a modular based HMVC pattern. So both the things like sample CRUD application as well as APIs development we will do inside this HMVC pattern. So this course is going to give you the complete idea about the complete understanding over CodeIgniter 4 HMVC module. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.